So today I'm going to show you how to create a cell in Excel that has both a drop-down list and allows for free-form typing. So all you need is a sheet that you want a list on, and also a list somewhere, maybe on another sheet that you can draw from. So right off the bat, we're going to have our cell selected that we want the list on, and we're going to go to Data Validation. You're going to hit that drop-down and then hit Data Validation again. Now you're going to choose from the list under Allow, the list option, and we're going to pick our source. So select within this source box, go to where your list is, select the whole row, because if I want to add something, I can if this whole row is selected. So I could add something underneath. Okay, and now we have the drop down, and this is super cool. We've got everything we need, which is great. Also, like I said, I could put a new option underneath, and if I go back, it will be included in my list, which is great. But the problem lies in the fact that I can't change anything. So after I choose one, sometimes I might want to customize it. So maybe I want to add the model to the miniature figure, right? I want to type something in to my choice. I get an error. There are data validation restrictions here. So I'm going to cancel. I'm going to go back and undo. I'm undoing my list, and I'm going to start over because I missed a step that allows me to edit the data. So same as before, we're going to go to Data tab, Data Validation, it's a tongue twister. Hit the drop down under Allow, go to List. Same source as last time, that was correct. We hit the whole column with the list. And before we hit OK, we're going to go to Error Alert. And this is where we unclick Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered. This will allow us to make those changes. So now if I hit OK, you'll see I've got a lot of options here. Cookie cutter. And then maybe I want to add something. And it allows me to change what the dropdown is. And remember, it stays the same in the list, but I can change what's shown in the box, which is really great. Also, I can just have a blank and put something else, and it allows you to do that. So I think this is super helpful. I definitely like the fact that you can edit this, especially with more complicated sheets. And this is a great option in Excel. So I hope you found this video useful. And please join me for more tutorials in Excel with my tutorial playlist.